Okay. Logan Salvage and Automotive here. Yeah, I know, I'm not working on a car. I'm working on what I actually film on, which is a Samsung S22 with a scratch screen and a cracked screen. And that is why I get that funky reflection in the camera lens. So, I am going to attempt to prepare it. I got a replacement glass kit. I don't have a heat gun, of course, why would I? But it's pretty warm in the house, so I think it'll probably be fine. I'm really hoping to just replace the two that are damaged. Well, mostly the one that's cracked, and see what happens. Because I'll just be honest with you, I think you can see what I'm doing. The rest of them's fine. I've never done a camera lens replacement before. I figure how hard can it be though? I YouTubed it, right? So I'm a professional now. If I can get under the edge of it. I thought I had a hair dryer, can't find it. That's some really good adhesive, that's for sure. I got this and a tweezer and new lenses. Actually, it's got 6. I really only need 1 or 2 of them. So, with any luck. Okay, here's what I've resorted to. Putting my thumb over it. Trying to warm it manually because I don't have a hairdryer at all, even though I probably need one. So I'm just trying to get under an edge. I don't know how much force is required to get under the edge of this thing, but I'm putting in what I think to be too much. It is busted right there. You would think it would just kind of separate, you know. I guess that the glue is a lot stouter than I think it is. I figure if I can fix this one, I'll continue to use it. And if I can't fix it, I'll break down and buy a camera. I just split it, so maybe I can get a chunk of it out. Get under something. Here we go. Something's happening. Haha. Trying not to lean in towards the camera. I just want the glass. I'm not exactly that precise. Make sure there's no glass particles down here. I've got some glue here. I gotta get off of there. figure if I could fix cars, maybe I could fix my car. I'm one of those guys that I don't care what it is. I will try to fix it at least once. Before I just throw it away, you know, or replace it. I've got most of the glue out. I still got some more cleaning to do. Is that all glue? Is that glue still stuck to the lens? Yeah, the glue came off with the lens mostly. Little tweezers. My flashlight's on my phone, so I can't get my flashlight. I'm recording with it. It came with these. I don't know if I need to use them or not. It does have a guide sticker. Let me see what that's all about. I bought a kit, it was cheap. I figured what's the harm. Got cloth and some clean stuff. Got a guide sticker. Dust absorber. I don't think I'm going to need any of that. I'm going to turn the camera on and make sure that it looks okay after I've removed it. And if that works out, then I'll put the new one on. And if I've damaged it, I don't know what I'll do. The screen's busted too, but that doesn't really concern me. The camera is what I'm concerned about currently. I might get the glass fixed if I start using it a lot more. Looks like they come pre-stickied. Right there's the missing lens versus the new lens. It looks like I got two thin, one fat, thin, and a fat. Yeah? So let me see if I can get a lens out without touching it. There's nothing on the end of that. And we will place it. Take a little cloth and push on it. Get a little warm and push and push and warm and push. And lo and behold, even though I've scratched the housing around it, it's got a brand new, not cracked camera lens. That one's got a big scratch in it. That one's a little scuffed up. That one's brand new. And evidently that's the one that I kept using all the time. because every time I turned around there was a big glare in the video. And now there's not. So I'm going to put the tweezers back in their little thingy. Put the blade back in its little thingy. I'm going to put the extra lenses back in their little thingy with this cloth in an effort to cushion it. And I'll take all this and put it right back in the bag. And if I need another camera lens, I've got another camera lens. All this way. Congratulations. You just witnessed me put a new lens on our camera. With any luck, the next round of videos will no longer have a glare. Cool. What do you think of that? Yeah, I scratched the outside of it, but you know what? I'm okay with that. As long as the camera works. And with that, we have a new lens on the camera that we usually record with, which is just an old S22. It records in Ultra HD, it works fine for me. A little low on storage, but whatever. But you just saw, we just put a new lens on, and thanks for watching. This is Logan Salvage and Automotive. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.